Similarly, in Colligation Extractor, users can search for potential colligations, which are pairs of one word and one part-of-speech tag that a group of words belong to, which tend to co-occur significantly more often than indicated by their individual frequencies, rather than colligations, which are pairs of words. When files are ready, specify your search term and a collocational window, and then click Generate Table. Note that you need to either import a pre-tagged corpus in Wordless, or if part-of-speech tags are not pre-assigned to a corpus, then you should check section 4.1 of the official documentation and make sure that support of part-of-speech tagging is available for the language of your corpus, so that part-of-speech tags could be generated on the fly using the built-in language-specific part-of-speech tagger. Otherwise, the analysis could not be carried out. In order to facilitate a comparison between different tag sets adopted by different part-of-speech taggers for different languages, an option is provided in the Settings panel, Part-of-Speech Tagging, Part-of-Speech Tagger Settings, for converting part-of-speech tags into their universal counterparts, which are used in the popular Universal Dependencies project. For some built-in part-of-speech taggers, it is also possible to customize a mapping table in order to suit your research needs in the Settings panel, Part-of-Speech Tagging, Tag Sets, Mapping Settings. For other functionalities and options in this module that are same as their counterparts in the module Colligation Extractor, please watch the last episode of this tutorial.